What's up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. I'm going to drop this video of me picking up the FLINT 13s. We got several pair. And then I picked up an extra special something for my wife you'll see in here too. So enjoy the mall video, the pickup video, the full reviews at the end. And if you are new here and you like it, hit the sub and thumbs up. It goes a long way. And that giveaway is right around the corner. Hard times, I want to bless as many people as I can. So enjoy the video. Let's get it. So today we're on the way to get the FLINT 13s. I've got several pairs on ice. I got some put here, some put there, some put over there. Full size run for the family. So we're gonna get toddlers, we're gonna get grade school, we're gonna get adults. And actually, I may pick up some PMPs for my wife too. I've been telling her I think she looked good, some sixes. So I'm gonna have to surprise her with those too. Ain't no telling what we're gonna wind up with, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're here to get some more FLINTs. My baby Elena was sleeping. She just woke up. Say hi, Elena.
Hi, Poopy Head.
Hi, Poopy Head. So we're gonna go in here and get some more FLINTs. This will be our fourth one, so we may have 6 total. We're not sure yet. Got to go to one more spot. Good job. Scan the next one. Yeah. Good job. Give me some, Elena. Boom.
Nice. You are the best scanner in the world.
Hello, Poopy Head. Let's go home and unbox these flints. See you there. We picked up the Flint 13s, and as you can see in the earlier clips, we went to the mall. It was a really easy pickup. I went to 2 or 3 different stores. I actually won 6 raffles. I can't believe it myself, 6 raffles. One of them I forgot to confirm, so I lost that one, but I ended up at the end of the day getting 4 pairs. Of course, I got 4 people in my family, and I got a double for me, and I need to get 1 more toddler. But without further ado, guys, let's talk about these Flint 13s, all right? Starting off with the first, we have the 10C. This is for my 4-year-old. I got to get my 2-year-old a pair, and I got a spot that's got some for me. So opening these up, these are the toddler ones, and we're going to go small to big. Now these right here, guys, as you can tell, they don't have as much 3M as the bigger ones, but you have the Panther bottoms, I like to call them, with the 3M all the way around the top, which I don't know if this has 3M. I don't think this really has 3M. If it does, it's very little. It doesn't pop as much as the big ones. But you got your Carolina blue Jumpman, and these are just fresh. What can you say? You know, we've been waiting a long time for this shoe to come back, and now we got it in hand. So I think we've been waiting like 10 years for it, but it's finally here. I was able to hit these on Finish Line and Hibbets. So moving into my wife's size, she wears a 7Y grade school, but this has the same 3M as the adult. So opening it up, you got your white paper. We're gonna peel it out and look at it. Well, we've seen many of these reviews, but I'm just going to tell you the difference in all the sizes. I haven't really seen any reviews with every size. I have a full size run on these. So this one has the 3M like the adult size. So you got the outer. I think that was different on this one right here. Let's compare. See the difference in the toddler up to the grade school. See right here. So that's the difference. And then we'll compare this one to the adult. This one has the full 3M, rotating it around. It's really smooth, suede, and cushion up top. It's all 3M. This is my favorite 13 by far. So yeah, we got the Jumpman on the front, the real nice, really good leather in my opinion. Like I said, you've seen many of these reviews, but we've never done the comparing them all. So here's this one. And now let's jump into the adult. So here's the adult. It comes in the gray box. So the other ones come in the black boxes. This one's in the gray box. We're going to peel the paper back, and we're going to pull these out and do a full comparison on these. Right here, you have the full 3M. Now here's the adult size. Now we'll once again compare it to the grade school. Everything looks the same. Everything looks the same on the grade school and the adult. Now the only difference is with the toddler. See the difference in the toddler and to the grade school and the adult. So here's basically all but the preschool here. So we'll put these to the side. These are my pair. I got a double on these. I got 2 boxes on these right here. This is a really smooth, like plasticky right here, blue and white, like carbon fiber almost bottom. And then you have the Jumpman right here, as well as the 23 hologram. I haven't peeled the plastic off yet. Actually, here, I'll peel it off right now because we are going to throw these on feet. So pulling it off, you got the 23 hologram right there. It's really dope. So there you go. So we have the 3M with rotating around. You got that smooth like suede with the cushion up top with the 3M all the way around it. So these are $190. I got, for me, these are the adults. And these are $140 for my wife. These are the 7 in youth right here. And these are $60 for the 10. Now I got to get a 8 because my daughter went from a 7 to an 8. So we'll all have a full-size run. I'm picking that up Monday. So once again, very fire shoe. I suggest get them if you can. Everything is different. Stores are getting looted. I see these prices inflating because, well, actually, people are going to be flooding StockX with all these stolen pairs. But they're not. The price may dip a little bit, but I really think it's going to go back up because, you know, stores got looted. All of these things that people were supposed to get them didn't get them, and who knows what's going to happen with all these stolen pairs. So much bad stuff is going on. I'm not going to get on that on this channel. I'm going to keep this about the shoes. I'm going to maybe create another video about that, but I'm going to keep it positive about these shoes from now. There's a lot more going on besides this, but I just wanted to bring the full review and show y'all my pickup on these Flint 13s. I was able to actually grab another pair of the DMPs while I was out. So we picked up 5 pairs of shoes yesterday. These are for my wife. She didn't have a pair. This is a 7 youth. I got it for $140, and you guys have already seen the DMPs. But actually, this is the same as the adult sizes right here, as far as the looks. But it's a little price difference, $140 instead of like $190 or $200. I forgot what it was. I do have the adults in these. So this is the DMP. You guys have seen 100 million times. But I was able to get my wife a pair of these to match me when we go out. So, guys, stay safe out there, you know, and I hope things get better before they get worse. But you guys just remember, keep God first, family second. I still got all this to go over. I just did those. All these boxes still haven't been opened. So at some point, I got to get to it. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. We do have a lot of giveaways coming. Like I said, if you aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. I have a ton of unboxings to do. We just got back from the beach. I have a nice beach vlog I'm going to put up soon. We had a really good time down there. We actually went to some skate shops and picked up some things. I did an unboxing down there, but I'm going to show you a little bit of vacation. We took the boat out. We went to an island down there. We took, you know, we was in a pontoon. We went to like a real island. It was awesome. So you'll like that. Stay tuned. Be safe out there. Stay woke, guys. Stay lit. Let's get it.